Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by proving the basics. Open DXdiag and note the Directx version plus any error messages, because that tells you if the problem is system level. Once done, update Windows and download the latest GPU driver from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Do a clean install when offered. Make sure Visual C++ redistributables and the Directx end-user runtime are installed. These supply missing DLLs. If any installer reports issues, stop and record the message for the next step. Now you move into repair mode. Open the Riot client and run scan and repair on Valorant, then reboot. If the game still fails to initialize Directx, run sfc/scano followed by dism restore health to repair Windows components that Directx depends on. After system fixes, do a clean GPU driver install. Use the vendor uninstaller or the in safe mode, then reinstall. Finally, reinstall D3 Decompiler 47 and related Directx DLL. Finish by ensuring Valorant runs with proper privileges. Right-click, run as administrator, and turn off compatibility mode or overlays since they interfere with Directx initialization. If that fails, completely uninstall Valorant and Riot Vanguard, then reinstall. This resets corrupted launch hooks. Once reinstalled, try a clean boot to rule out third-party conflicts. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for Directx errors and capture error codes. That single diagnostic message is your best troubleshooting tip to escalate or search for a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.